What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to import a WordPress database backup using phpMyAdmin and cPanel. This is something you'll need to do if you're restoring a backup, moving your site to a new server, or recovering from a database issue. WordPress stores all of its content, settings, and user data in the database. So importing a backup SQL file is a common and important task. The good news is phpMyAdmin makes this process very straightforward. And this is another area where RackNerd's cPanel hosting really helps. With phpMyAdmin already included, you can manage and restore your database without installing extra tools or plugins. If you're not hosting with us yet, be sure to check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress management simple, reliable, and secure. Now, before we get started, I will mention that I've already covered database repair and optimization in earlier tutorials on this channel. Today, we're focusing specifically on restoring a database from a backup file. So let's get into the steps right now. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. When phpMyAdmin opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and select the database where you want to import the backup. This should be the database used by your WordPress site. If you're not sure which database that is, you can check the database name inside of your wp-config.php file using File Manager. After selecting the database, you'll see a row of tabs across the top. Click on the Import tab. This is where you'll upload the backup file. On the Import page, look for the section that allows you to choose a file from your computer. Click the button to browse your files and select your database backup file. This is usually going to be a .sql extension. Once the file is selected, you don't need to change any advanced settings in most cases. You can leave everything as default, scroll down, and click Go to start the import process. phpMyAdmin will now upload and import the database backup. Depending on the size of the file, this can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. When it's finished, you'll see a success message at the top of the page confirming that the import was completed successfully. After that, go back to your browser and refresh your WordPress site. Your content, settings, and data should now reflect what was in the backup file. If the site doesn't load correctly, double check that the database you imported matches the database name in the wp-config.php file. And that's it, you have successfully imported a WordPress database backup using phpMyAdmin. This is an essential skill for restoring sites, migrating WordPress installations, or recovering from database-related issues. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you full control over your website. With phpMyAdmin built right into your account, you can quickly restore and manage your database confidently. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides just like this. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I'll catch you in the next video.